Hey everyone, and welcome to MedCore Academy. I'm your host, Dr. Osama Alsheikhi. I am a consultant neurologist at Hawari General Hospital and also a teaching staff member at the Faculty of Medicine, University of Benghazi. I'm so excited to finally launch this channel and connect with all of you here at MedCore Academy. We have one simple mission: to transform complex medical knowledge into high-yield, actionable understanding that you can actually use. We're here to provide structured, evidence-based education for your entire medical journey. So, whether you're just starting out in your pre-medical year, navigating clinical clerkships, cramming for final exams, or you're a resident pursuing a postgraduate specialty, we've got you covered. What can you expect from this channel? First, comprehensive and clear lectures. We'll be diving deep into all branches of medicine, from the basic sciences like anatomy, physiology, and pharmacology, all the way to clinical practice in neurology, dermatology, and so much more. But we're not just about lectures. We'll also have walkthrough quizzes. These are challenging, exam-style questions designed to teach you how to think through difficult clinical vignettes. We'll break down the questions together so you can confidently choose the correct diagnosis or management plan. The goal here is to help you move from simply memorizing facts to truly understanding the core concepts and clinical pearls you need. Why should you subscribe? Well, think of it this way. We want to give you clarity and confidence. Stop relying on just passive learning from textbooks. We'll deliver the essential information you need to go from confusion to competence. We all know how limited study time is, right? That's why our content is designed to be high-yield and focused. We show you the must-know information to help you excel on your exams and save you precious time. Plus, you'll get to learn directly from a specialist. I'll be sharing real-world clinical insights from my own practice, which I hope will give you a unique and valuable perspective. This channel isn't just about studying medicine, it's about mastering it. It's about building a strong foundation for a successful and fulfilling career. I truly believe that by working together, we can make your medical education journey more effective and a lot less stressful. So, if you're ready to take the definitive step toward academic excellence and clinical confidence, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the MedCore Academy community today. I can't wait to get started and see you in our next video. Thanks for watching.